Frustrated by the Office Software Protection Platform Client DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Don't let Office Software Protection Platform Client slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Office Software Protection Platform Client. The Office Software Protection Platform Client. This DLL is the heart of the Office click-to-run licensing engine. It handles the periodic subscription checks for Microsoft 365. If missing, Word or Excel will launch in reduced functionality mode, preventing users from saving or editing documents until the license is re-verified. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Since Office Software Protection Platform Client DLL belongs to the Windows System Core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Office Software Protection Platform client file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Office Software Protection Platform Client DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Office Software Protection Platform Client. To support our technical team and receive updates on Office Software Protection Platform Client resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.